If you want to automate a product launch with email marketing in the most efficient way possible, you're in the right place. I've tested all the most popular platforms out there, and in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way to set up an automated product launch email sequence that runs on autopilot. Stick around because I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial for the software I personally recommend, only available to viewers of my channel. Here's how to do it step by step. First, map out your email sequence. The core of any automated product launch is the sequence itself. You want to build anticipation, provide value, and drive conversions. At minimum, you'll need 5 emails, a teaser, a pre-launch, a launch day email, a reminder, and a final call. These should go out over 5 to 7 days, depending on how long your launch window is. Inside the software we'll be using, go to the automation or workflow section. Create a new automation. Set the trigger as when someone joins your product launch list, downloads your freebie, or gets tagged with something like interested launch. Next, build your flow. Add an email to go out immediately or within a few hours, thanking them for joining and hinting that something exciting is coming soon. That's your teaser. A day later, schedule your second email, your pre-launch. This should include a story, sneak peek, or pain point your product solves. The third email goes out on launch day. Include a direct CTA with the product link, bonus if there's urgency, like a limited time discount. Day 4 is your reminder. Reinforce the value, add testimonials if you have them, and address objections. The last one, your final call, should go out 24 hours before the cart closes or your deal ends. Make it short, bold, and clear. Last chance subject lines work well here. Now add delays between each email. 1 day between each message usually works well, but you can compress or expand depending on your timeline. Make sure to test your automation by adding a test contact and checking if the emails arrive in the correct order. You can personalize with dynamic fields like their name, previous actions, or lead magnet they downloaded. This boosts engagement big time. Want advanced automation? Use conditional logic. For example, if they open the launch email but don't click, send a follow-up with a different angle. If they click but don't buy, tag them as a warm lead and trigger a nurture sequence after the launch ends. All of this is handled inside the software we're using, and if you want to follow along or test it yourself, there's a free trial exclusive to viewers of this channel in the description below. Key takeaway: automating a product launch with email marketing saves time, boosts conversions, and builds anticipation on autopilot, so you can focus on growing, not chasing leads manually. Quick recap: plan your 5-email sequence, set up your automation trigger, space out your emails with delays, personalize for impact, and use conditional logic for extra firepower. Test it, tweak it, and launch. And before you go, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial link in the description if you want to get your launch sequence up and running today.